Welcome to week 4 of Teaching Online for Beginners. The purpose of this presentation is just to walk through some of the activities involved in the learning plan. Our focus this week is on managing online activities and communication with an emphasis on building community. You're going to see obviously the pedagogical focus is going to be in the area of building community, connecting you with some research in that particular area and having some conversations in our Google forum. The technical focus is going to be to take what we've been talking about so far about those self-introductory videos and to practice, just a very short practice, but to really go through the publication steps and the production steps and the publication steps. So let's take a look. The 3 goals, like I said, are going to be related to, we hope that you'll be able to describe the value of creating community and social presence in an online course. We want you to begin to be able to produce a introductory video by practicing those steps, and then we really want you to continue to tap internal and external resources that will help support your online teaching. So taking that time to create, even to further establish relationships that you already have that will help support you in that journey, and maybe to create some new ones as well. So we know that practice makes perfect with any kind of skill, and so in this case we want you to practice by producing a self-introductory video that's only 20 to 60 seconds long, so just a short little snippet, but design that, what you're going to say, decide what you're going to use to produce that, and publish it. We'd like you to get that done by the end of this week. So what you're going to want to do, certainly use Screencast-O-Matic. We talked about that last week. It's a great application. But if there's another application that you already enjoy and feel comfortable with, then use that. YouTube was an avenue to publish what you create, and so that you can create a URL. So we'll hope you might try to use that as well. So navigating and networking, hugely important as we're working online to connect with people who can help support our work. And so I hope you will, if you haven't created connections with the technical resources in your organization, like somebody who works with your learning management system, instructional technology people, instructional designers, we hope that you'll take the time to make those connections. We've also added a new event, and I hope you, if you can, please join us. It's going to be on Wednesday at 3 o'clock Eastern Time. But copyright and accessibility issues are really come to bear here when we're working online. And so we're going to talk about those issues, especially related to uploading and downloading and using videos, especially YouTube. Before I go back, but there is a different URL to join, and it's down the bottom of the screen here, tlt.gs/membersonline. So it's a little different than the one we use on Friday. You'll see 3 articles that we've pulled out related to social presence and building community, so we'll hope you take advantage of that. We also hope that you'll talk together in the forum about social presence and building community, and really start thinking about, what are things that you use in your face-to-face teaching that you can translate in an online or hybrid environment. And then at the end of the week, we encourage you to draft the longer introduction that you're going to use for your capstone project, but to begin to put that down in writing. And the end of the week on Friday, there will be a synchronous session, and the focus is on managing online activities and communication. So we'll hope you join us for that. And like I said, the URL to attend that webinar, tlt.gs/login. So there were a couple of things I just wanted to highlight. If you didn't get a chance to take advantage of giving us some feedback on the mid-course survey, I hope you will do that. Your feedback is going to help us make improvements in the course, not only in the future, but yet before we conclude. And the webinar from last Friday was recorded, and you can access the archive by you can see that you can get to the link on the TOL4B homepage under resources, recordings, and readings. And for those of you who are still interested in a mentor, there's opportunities to connect with veteran online faculty to support your work as well. So that's our learning plan for week 4. I am excited to work with you again this week, and looking forward to our synchronous events on Wednesday and Friday, as well as our asynchronous opportunities to communicate. Have a great week.